Yo, it's like 2 in the morning. It's the 4th bar. My boy Brando, he making a beat. Yeah. I got the nigga Vegas here, Savannah here. Red's finna come through in a second. He bringing some bye-bye. This is gonna be a lit ass one, so stay tuned for this shit because you know, check this beat out. Yeah, for one, check this shit out, yo. This shit cold.
Me and her literally like she's like when I used to have like parties at my house and last time I was literally like
is this the beat that I rapped on for a minute there? I literally rapped on this beat for like I don't know, like 5-6 minutes, just like going off the dome, not thinking, just feeling that shit, man. I'm feeling this shit. Gonna go and flip a brick, might just go and get rich. Gotta flex up on the bitch, man. I'm gonna go do this shit. Hold up, man. I can never quit. That's enough. I'ma just tease that shit. Stupid little bitch, get up on my dick. That's the shit. Next time. Everybody's on their own shit. You hear this?
and then it just happened. And I was like, word.
I only got this place. My dad like the most time doing this. He kind of just like threw me out on my software. He's like, here, take this little place, just the keys. Yeah, so
You got something.
I got, kind of.
Kind of. I mean, you're in a position to build. Now it's on you.
I don't pay rent.
Never mind, it's not on me.
My dad pays my rent.
It's about 4.
So I go up in the fucking, what's it
I've been
called?
chilling.
Bathroom. Yeah, bro, I went in the bathroom
Brandon,
and I grabbed,
Savannah,
bro, and I
Ray's
grabbed
here,
the paper towel and I
Vegas.
wet it, and then I fucking wiped the blood off, and I
We're
walked
just
to the back
talking.
office and I got this right here. What's the real reason? What was you doing?
Me and my girlfriend are out in Denver. We got Nova with us. We decided to bring her. Look at her. Beautiful. Yeah, we're stopping in at the Denver Diner over here on Colfax and Spear. We're gonna grub. Look at that. Can't really see much right now. There's a lot of shit. I'll get some scenes of the city in a second though after we're done eating. So yeah, it's pretty lit. So that was pretty bomb. I had a half a pound of Angus and a burger with bacon and guacamole and lettuce and shit. You know, that was pretty fire. It was fat as fuck. She had the Denver omelet. That shit how was that?
It was pretty good.
Pretty good. The car's already started. I'm gonna just show you a quick clip of this beautiful city. Now we're gonna take Nova out to somewhere so she can have some time out in the sun in the city. You dig? Right now we're passing the Belco, and I thought I'd show you that because it's one of the bigger things out in Denver. It's pretty damn cool, I'd say. If you know what Decadence is, me and her, we came to Decadence in what was it, December? Yeah, we came in December for that rave. That was pretty fucking fun. That was really cool, actually. Here, look, you can see it some more. It's big as fuck. Like, they got a lot of shit. And then here's the Denver Art Museum. I'm trying to get a good view of it. Let's see, where's the sculptures at? There's sculptures out there and shit. I don't know. I might have just missed some. Yeah, but yeah, that shit's pretty cool. I thought I'd show you that. We're walking down the Platte. We just passed the Denver skate park. It's literally like above this thing right here. It's pretty nice outside. We're here taking Nova on a walk with my dog. She's pretty excited to be out and about in Denver. She likes the city. It's pretty nice out here actually. The sky's pretty damn clear. It's probably like what, 70 degrees, you could say. It's very green and lush already. Beautiful river, the fucking Platte. We lit. Love this shit out here, man. Here's a dope ass view I thought you guys might like to see. You got that one building, the Vitas, right here next to us. They're pretty damn tall. Here, look, here goes the train running through. We're just, you know, Denver, living, chilling. These are just way out there. There's Nova fucking crying all the time. We had a good day in Denver. Now we at the pool, and Brandon's about to jump in, so that's gonna be. When I did more of a judo kick into the pool, but that's okay because it's a shallow ass pool. That's just like 4 foot deep in the deep end. Like it's pretty like it's shallow, but it's nice because it's heated. So it's like it could be cold as hell outside, but you get in there and it's like warm cold. You know what I mean? Like it's not gonna be like, ooh, yo, this is cozy, but this is like it's more like a, you know, honestly, it's not too bad. So here we are walking to the dog park. We had done some footage already on this video, and then I don't know what happened to it, but it messed up and all the audio went away, and then most of the videos disappeared, so now we have to redo it. So here we are redoing it, but we're taking Nova to the dog park. Normally when we get to the dog park and there's other dogs, Nova's really like awkward. Yeah, antisocial. She don't know how to play with the other dog. And I don't know, she's just that dog that you can't say what's up to because she might snap at you. So what we need to do is we need to just take her out here more and get her more socialized, stop her from being awkward. But this ball right here, this is like Nova's crack. She will go back and forth, like, till she almost can't really. Like she'll just be standing there and still drop it at your feet and shit. Like, come on, dog, you're tired. So I'll get some footage of that too. Unfortunately, there's no other dogs here at the dog park, so we can't show you how unfucking social she is. But we can show you that she will go back and forth, back and forth, back and forth. There she goes. She gets fooled real easily, so he'll act like he's gonna throw it, and then she'll run, and he didn't even throw it. He picked it up, and she took off. Catch that shit, dog.
Ready?
Oh. Oh. Ah, she was close. She looked like she might have lost it. Come on, Dodo. Oh my goodness. That's Nova for you. Back and forth they go. Brandon throws it outside of the fucking thing just now, man. And look, she ain't gonna move. She ain't gonna move. And she's gonna be like, I'm gonna wait. She's like, give me my ball. I saw it hit that pole and then out there, but look. It hit the pole. He hit the pole. He throws it outside of this place every time. Here's some slow motion clips of my dog running for the ball. that was it for this video. I hope y'all enjoyed that shit. Pretty lit. It was fun to make. It was a process. This one kind of sucked because right in the middle of making it, I was literally, well, not even the middle. I was done. I was done making this shit. I was about to upload it. All the footage disappeared and all the audio got all fucked up. So now I had to go and redo some shit, but it's all right. Fuck it. Hope y'all enjoyed. Thanks for watching. Peace out.